Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna show how to add Instagram tab on Facebook page. But before getting started, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. First of all, open Facebook and then in this search box search here Instagram tab. Then open this page Insta tab and now click on use app. Click on it. And from here you have to select your Facebook page. So I'm selecting my page from here, and now after selecting Facebook page, click on add page tab. Installation in progress, please wait. After that, click on more, and here we can see Instagram tab has been added here. Now click on Instagram, and here you have to put your Instagram username. So I'm pasting my username. After that, click on save settings, and finally here we can see my Instagram account has been added into my Facebook page with this Facebook tab. That's it for now. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thanks for watching this video.